The other ones are like church hugs. She's giving me a full-on bear hug, doesn't want to let my hair go, right? Hey guys, it's your girl Tabby. So I'm just coming at y'all today with another tutorial, but this time I'm gonna show y'all how I do my sleek ponytail with my little hair right here, my little girlfriend, my piece. I'm gonna stick her right there. First, I want to jump in and show y'all how I slick my hair back, and also the way I part it and everything. Let's take this bad boy off. Prepare. So basically, what I like to start off doing, I like to comb out my hair, and I usually start from the ends and work my way up to the roots because you don't want to, you know, add breakage. So again, just start at the ends and go to the roots. And so I already kind of combed out my hair. What I like to do is I like to push most of my hair up to the top, and I'll part it in the back. So I'll part it in the back. Now it doesn't have to be a perfect part. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's just I like to section it when I put the gel. Okay, so once I part the back, I take my handsy dandy mist, which I have oil and water in there. I actually like to wet my hair a little bit, or if not, I'll just take some mousse to my hair, you know, right? The type of gel I use is the Pro Style. This is my jam. I don't use that olive oil, that one brand, y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't use that brand just because it has like a little bit of water in it, more water than I need for my hair. So when I apply that type of gel, actually just kind of reverses my hair and makes it like super curly, like I wet it, and I hate that. Put on my hand. I know it looks weird. Put on my hand and just simply so I just take the gel, work it through my hair, right? And then you can clip your hair up too. I think I'm just so used to doing my hair that I separated and just comb. So I just separated my hair to make it a little easier. So basically, let's just brush through that part. Take a scrunchie. Okay. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect right now because you're gonna part and go through sections. Okay. To the next section, right? Okay. All right. So take this. Spray, 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 spray. Right. Get through there. It's the Smooth and Shine mousse. Okay. So once I get the mousse in my hand, I just put that through. Okay. Comb.
Okay, then I like to brush, right? Make sure it's detangled.
Then boom. Gel. Rub-a-dub-dub. So brush. Gonna brush through. And the reason I like to section it off is because I have thick hair. So if I just try to put gel in the back, some in the middle and in the front, my hair, it won't lay down as sleek. It would lay down, but it just wouldn't be as sleek. And I like a sleek ponytail. So I added it with this other ponytail. Boom. And I don't do it tight because I need to take it right back out. Okay. So see that? So then
put it on my hand and just apply it to the area I think is a little dry.
Another reason why I like this gel is very thick, and so like if you mix it with some water, it won't dilute. I know some people don't like that gel because they say it flakes, which it doesn't really flake for me. It does leave my hair very dirty because it is a black gel, but when it comes to style, she's holding me down. The other ones are like church hugs. She's giving me a full-on bear hug, doesn't want to let my hair go, right? Yes, so that's why I like that gel. It just holds it down, 10 toes down. The other ones are a little fugazi for me. Okay, so this is the last part, right? So my part is a little off now, so I'm just gonna fix it. And I don't have any glasses on right now. I wear glasses. So literally just doing this a little blindly. And I love this brush. It's like the little flexi joints. Shout out to my girl Tommy Alicia. If you're not subscribed to her channel, subscribe. Okay, so I'm gonna take this hard brush. I'm going to just switch this down. As you can see how everything is laying down because I sectioned my hair off. So there's gel and mousse in between my hair, not just the top and the bottom, which is going to help you achieve that sleek look. Okay, so then for the finishing touch, I like to take some, just put that thing on me. And so like I have a very generous hand with everything that I do, so these gels don't be lasting me a long time if I continuously do a slick pony, which I do because I'm lazy. So my favorite thing ever, I'm a throwback, I'm classic, pump it up. I grew up in the South. Oops. I grew up in the South, so this is holding your hair, like, okay? Toothbrush, the bristles just go in and sweep all my baby hairs. And I don't do too much with my baby hairs because I'm not a baby and I'm not about to style and profile. Okay, I'm a grown woman, not an adolescent, so therefore I just kind of, you know what I mean, do a little sign here, do it, and then I'll swoop it. I don't really have like a style, and I make sure that they at least match because yeah. Isleta is easy to put on. It's a drawstring ponytail. I don't know what brand this is. I think it's Freetress. I'm gonna see what brand it is. I'm gonna look it up and I'm gonna add the link below. But as you can see, it's a drawstring, so you know, make sure it's open because you want to make sure you stick this comb inside your hair and stick this comb, okay? Because I have literally accidentally only stuck one comb in, and let's just say when I got up, my ponytail didn't. So okay, so after I put the other comb in at the bottom, I take the string and I just pull, okay? And you want to make sure that it's in there. So then I'll take this and I'll just pinnage. So I mean, this is pretty much it. I like to like comb through it. I think this is a synthetic wig, so she can get a little frizzy. And I'll put some oil sheen in there too to kind of make it a little bit more lifelike. Shout out to my cousin Bella, she taught me that. So this is pretty much it, you guys. This is a good hairstyle if you just want to go somewhere like super quick, or you have a FaceTime date because we're in quarantine and social distancing. If you haven't done your hair in a while and you just need something quick, this is an awesome style. I work in bridal and I always have to look presentable, and there's some days where I haven't done my hair. You know, with natural hair you need to do at least 2 times a week, and I don't have time for that, so I just do this. I got this hair from the hair store for like 15 bucks, the max 20. And also this is a great style for Eid that is coming up. Ramadan is coming to an end, so Eid Mubarak to all my people out there. If you are looking for a hairstyle to go slay in the living room, then this is a great one. You can order some hair offline because I know some hair stores are closed right now, but if you live in a state where there are some hair stores open, they will totally sell any drawstring ponytail that is full curly hair. And you don't even need this style. You can get any drawstring ponytail and just follow the steps that I showed you with how to slick down your hair and just add something in, and she's not going anywhere, period. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I will be back at it again. The next one is probably going to be wash day, or if you guys have a request, let me know. Comments down below, hit like, you know, and don't forget to subscribe, and let me know what content y'all want to see, because yeah, I want to give what the people want. Okay, all right guys, well, we'll chat soon. Bye, stay safe. Mwah.